In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable embedded content on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up in the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel here, select Privacy and Security, and then select Site Settings at the bottom of this list. Should be an item underneath permissions that says embedded content. Go ahead and select it, and then select sites are blocked from asking you to use info they've saved about you, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.